Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where fundamentals meet technical. It is mid-June 2021, and it is the scheduled screening of our June experimental magical stocks. We will treat this as our 6th experiment. For this experiment, we will try to screen 5 high market capitalization stocks regardless if they are blue chips or not. In this video, we will show you the screening of our June experimental magical stocks. Before we proceed with our screening, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or simply like monitoring our system's effectiveness, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. Here are the sorted stocks based on their market capitalization. We are showing you the top 50 high market capitalization stocks in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Here we have the code and company name, if it is a blue chip or not, the date where the capitalization was computed, and the market capitalization itself. As we can see, the top stock that has the highest market capitalization is MFC or Manulife Financial Corporation, with 1.9 trillion pesos market capitalization. This stock is being followed by SLF or Sun Life Financial Incorporated with 1.4 trillion pesos market capitalization. The third stock is a blue chip stock which is SM with 1.2 trillion pesos market capitalization. The top 50 in our list is APL having a 51.3 billion pesos market capitalization. Let's now check the PER of each stock. MS Excel has a feature to get the PER automatically. Here are the sorted stocks based on their PER. We can see that the lowest PER is CHIB or China Banking Corporation, followed by UBP or Union Bank of the Philippines. We can also see that the highest PER is SEVN or Philippine 7 Corporation with 461.78. Monde, PAL, and APL don't have a reported PER. Let's now put the DTE and the dividend yield payment for the years 2020 and 2021. This worksheet will now be the data that we will screen to pick our June magical stocks. Let's now proceed with the screening. Let's see the top 25 stocks and screen them to past 10 stocks. Take note that we sorted the stocks based on their PER, and we will check their DTE. We are looking at 5.5 DTE and below. We are also checking if they are dividend-paying stocks. First to pass our screening is LTG or LT Group, Incorporated, followed by FGen or First Gen Corporation. The third is DMC or DMCI Holdings Incorporated. Fourth is FDC or Phil Invest Development Corporation. Moving with the screening, we also have a P or Aboy Tiz Power Corporation, followed by AEV or Aboy Tiz Equity Ventures Incorporated. Continuing with the screening, we also have TEL or PLDT Incorporated. AGI or Alliance Global Group, Incorporated, also passes our screening. Coming in at number 9 is MEG or Megaworld Corporation. MPI or Metro Pacific Investments Corporation completes the 10 stocks. We will now be choosing our 5 experimental magical stocks on the list. The first stock is AP, followed by AEV, and the third stock is TEL, followed by MEG. To complete the stocks is MPI. We will monitor these 5 stocks weekly and add them to our monitoring, just like what we are doing with November 2020, December 2020, February 2021, March 2021, and May 2021. We will use the closing price of June 18, 2021, as our buying price with a budget of 30,000 pesos each. This will now be our worksheet for the June experiment. We bought AP as an experiment at 1,300 shares, AEV at 700 shares, TEL at 25 shares, MEG at 10,000 shares, and MPI at 7,000 shares. We will report its result weekly together with our actual and experimental stocks. That will be all for this week's magical stock screening. Thank you for watching. Next week, we will update the result of the 5 experimental stocks after 1 week in the market. Quote, I get real concerned when I see trading strategies with too many rules. You should too. Unquote. Larry Connors. See you in the following video. Have a great day ahead.